So ayan, guys, si manager okay daw. Pumunta kami ng Bel Air ngayon at mag-check kami ng mga bahay-bahay nila kung okay pa ba yung mga bahay-bahay ng mga boss namin, mga diplomat. Ay, si Master, oh. Ang naong ni Master ng yaya, naka-pismas pa siya, oh. Kapal ng pismas. Ang pismas niya po ay 3M. Yan, napakakapal yan.
Very, very protected.
Panlaban sa COVID yan. Protected daw. Nagsiga lang yung naong. So ayan.
Kasi bumalik na rin yung COVID ngayon.
O kaya nga, si manager kasi malapit nang mag-retired. So ayan, baka ito na yung huling magkakasama kami na magbisita sa mga diplomat.
The best
Do you have
manager
any-
in the world.
Any message sir for your supporters, your friend?
Yes, enjoy life. That is important. Yeah, work hard, save money, take care of your family, and don't forget to pamper yourself and enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Yes, because life is short. You never know what happens to you the next moment.
So
And if you enjoy
Absolutely.
every day, every moment, you have nothing else to regret.
yes sir, tama.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And love life.
Yes.
Be nice to each other. Love, care your loved ones. Boyfriend, girlfriend,
Girlfriend.
asawa,
Yeah.
whatever it is.
Be kind.
Total TLC.
Yeah.
Tender love and care.
O yan, mga payo ni manager. O,
Yun lang.
Yun lang daw. So si manager po ay ano siya, hindi siya Pilipino, ano siya, Indian national siya. Ngayon malapit na siya mag-retire after almost
2.5 years.
2.5
30 months.
years. Yeah.
30 months with the Embassy of Switzerland.
Yeah, 30 months for the Embassy of Switzerland working.
And I had the best team ever, including these two pogi,
Yeah.
Mr. Jimmy,
Oh.
Yeah.
he's called Master because he's senior,
Yeah, man.
and Mr. Richard.
So narinig niyo naman guys.
So together they are an amazing team, and thank you guys for supporting me
Yeah,
and
man.
for getting the job absolutely done and professionally. Keep up the good work. All the best.
So si manager guys, para sa inyong kalaman, dati po siyang seafarer. Umiikot sila around the globe. Oh, after how many years sir? You work in
40 years on cruise ships.
40 years siya nagtrabaho sa cruise.
I've circumnavigated the world more than 24 times. That is 24 times I've been around the world. There is no country in the world that I have not been to. Arctic, Antarctic, you name it. And majority of them I worked was Filipino. That's why I love the Filipino. And because I love the Filipino, I'm here in the Philippines. Yeah.
So si manager po nakaikot ito around the globe. Kasi nga nagtatrabaho dati sa cruise ship in 40 years. After noon, yun, after ng pandemic, ayaw na niya nang sumakay ng barko kaya nag-apply siya sa Embassy of Switzerland. So doon kami nagkakasama-sama. Doon kami nagkakilala ng almost 2.5 years. So ngayon, malapit na mag-retire siya. Pupunta na siya ng US of A. Oh,
California.
California. Doon naman siya magbibakasyon, magtrabaho. Then after niyan, Canada, tapos Australia. So, mag-iikot ulit siya ng mundo. Kasi pupunta siya ng Australia, tapos Japan sir, no? Right? Pupunta siya ng Japan.
Beautiful. Japan is beautiful.
Ganun ang gawin natin guys, habang bata pa tayo, mag-ipon, mag-saving. Kasi pag nagkaedad na tayo, torture na lang tayo sa ibang bansa. Hindi yung ngayon pala, pulos laklak. Di ba? Pulos laklak, bear house. Ako, namawa pala tayo dyan. Dahil tayo mag-savings para pagdating ng araw, may ipon tayo.
You don't have to earn big money to save.
Yeah.
If you earn, for example, 500 pesos a day, you save 50%. I mean 10%.
Yeah.
If you can save 50%, very good. But if you save a minimum of 10%, which is 50 pesos a day, how much? Small, but it builds up very, very fast. Just multiply 365 into 50. How much you will have? It's amazing. So don't think you have to earn big money to save money. No. Whatever you earn, keep a percentage and you follow that percentage and don't break the cycle, and then keep saving. Saving for a rainy day is very, very important.
So,
For
makinig.
the kids, for your health, for your asawa's health, and in general for emergencies. Today, nobody is ready to lend money. Not that they
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
want to,
Yeah.
because each one of them have their own issues, right?
Yeah.
Nobody is mayaman to, and the mayaman people are not generous to give.
It's very
It's another thing.
it's very difficult to lend money no to others, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why kailangan na talaga natin mag-ipon, guys. Pulos sa bisyo, pulos sa gimmick. Minsan hindi naman na maiwasan minsan, pero wag lagi-lagi. Makinig tayo kay manager kasi si manager Indian National, magagaling sila sa pagdating sa pera talaga. Marurunong sila. Tsaka tingnan mo naman ngayon, no? Mag-around the globe na naman siya. Hindi na magtrabaho, kundi lang, tourist na lang siya. Ganun din dapat ang mga mentality natin, guys. Huwag yung pulos laklak. Iniisip nyo pulos good time, good time.
Another important thing I want to tell you guys
Yeah.
is problems in life is always there for everybody. Everybody has problem. If somebody says I have no problem, and that's not true.
Yeah.
They're not human beings.
That's
They don't
lie.
have a problem. So problems in life are meant to be tackled. Now, every problem can be tackled if you think properly and act properly. So all we have to do is navigate, think, and solve the problem. Classic example I'll give you. It's like a surfer in the sea. When the surfer is surfing on the sea,
Yeah.
the waves are not uniform, right? It
Yeah,
goes
yeah.
up, it goes down. And how come the surfer is still standing and not falling into the water? Because he manages,
Yeah.
he navigates, and he enjoys the surfing. So problems in life are like that. Everybody has problem. I have problem. He has problem.
Yeah, yeah.
He has problem.
Yeah.
People around the world have problems.
Yeah.
There are people who have even bigger problems than us. See Ukraine? They lost their families in the war. They lost their homes. They have no food. Everyday bombardment. You're not that bad. Always compare yourself. Don't put your head and say, "Oh, I have a problem. I don't know what to do."
Yeah.
No. Think of the worst people, and your problem is never a big problem. And the most important thing, when you have a problem, it all looks as if hell is on you. But once you solve the problem, and after a few days or months or year, you will laugh at yourself and think, why did I stress myself for that problem? How easily I solved the problem. So, don't worry. Life, the beauty of life is to navigate these problems and accomplish. Everyone can be a winner. It's your outlook.
Yeah. So yun guys, makinig tayo ha. Tandaan natin yung mga advice ni manager. Kasi ngayon lang siya magbigay ng advice kasi nga soon na siya, mag-retire na. So yun lang muna guys. At ingat tayo lagi, enjoy life lang. Huwag pulos sa gimmick. Huwag pulos sa good time. Mag-savings din tayo.
Sige na magtagay.
Sige masero, sige tagay. So guys, mamaya uli guys at dito na kami sa Itza. So bye-bye na muna.
Bye. Take care.